There are many guidelines for great storytelling, but there's only one rule per se, the rule of thirds. The rule of thirds is your foundation for interesting and well-balanced shots. Sure, it's a formula, but with practice, you'll find it's a great starting point. So what exactly is the rule? Well, imagine your screen is divided into thirds, horizontally and vertically, just like the game tic-tac-toe. Where these imaginary lines intersect suggest options for placing your shot's points of interest. One theory why the rule of thirds works is aligning your subject with these points of interest creates visual tension, energy, and interest in your composition. Here's an example. In this shot, the fairy is in the middle of the frame and the water forms a horizontal center line. The fairy is the focus of your visual story. Let's frame the fairy on the side and move the water down to the bottom third. You've not only created a more interesting shot, you've told the viewer what you want them to look at in your composition. When filming people, it's common to line their bodies up with a vertical line and their eyes with a horizontal one. So remember, when you are shooting, ask yourself, what is my central point of interest and where am I going to put it? Don't get so focused on your subject, you just plop it into the middle of your frame. Not everything's going to fall on one of these lines. The rule of thirds isn't exactly a rule. Think of it more as a guideline. A great starting point for creating well-composed shots.